Hello everyone and welcome back to our ALMA training series. This is the next video in our Discovery Primo training. Now if you remember, we were looking at search results and we were talking about the sign-in and why it's important for our patrons to sign in so they can save and customize their results. So I'm back at our general landing page, our general dashboard, and I'm going to re-sign in. So again, remember that sign in is up here next to our general menu. We sign in, and it's going to be their user ID and then the password that they create. And we're hoping that this will be tied into their Allen University sign-in, so all of that information will be the same. So we just log in, and then we're going to do our search. So once we're signed in, some nice things about this is we can go here to where it says go to search history. And so you see that the search history that we have for this session, we just started. So Mindy Kaling, which is short, but for our students, as they continue searching and as they go through, it's going to keep an itemized list so they can go back to this. Another thing that they're able to do is have saved searches. And this is one that was saved. And then also saved records. So if they find something that they want to keep, that they want to save, they're able to save it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So again, go to our search. So if we want to save the query, we just use this little pen and that saves it. So as if we go through, and we're interested in, let's say, Matt and Ben, a new play. We'll pull this up right here. And we'll have the information. Now, if I wanted to save this, again, I would go to this little pen and add the item. And now we can see that it's added. To remove it, I would just click on it again. So if I go back here and I go to my favorites, we can see that the favorites are there. Now I can also show different actions that I want to do. So if I want to print this, if I want the citation, again, it tells us the different citations that we have. And I like that it tells us the little remember to check citations. And again, it'll have the citation there. Things are being worked on right now, but the citation will be in here. We can do a permalink. We can copy this. And then we can also email it to ourselves. So it's kind of like the databases that we use where they have these options. So anytime I get tired of this, if I want to take it out of my records, I'll just click right there to remove. So we'll just go back to my library search. And let's say we want to search office. So again, we get a bunch of different ones here. So we get a journal, we get books. So let's say we want to refine this a little bit. We can do resource type. So we can take it down to, and you see we have all different types of resources. So in our next video, we are going to talk about getting a book from Pascal, because one of the main differences is it's much easier for our students to request books in this new system than it was in the old system. So be sure that you watch that video, and thank you for watching this one.